Hello and welcome to your first look preview of this awesome home. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you would like to schedule a private tour. Tucked away on a peaceful 1-acre lot surrounded by trees, this charming one-level rambler offers the perfect blend of comfort, privacy, and easy living. With everything on one floor, this home is simple to enjoy and easy to love. Step inside to an open and inviting floor plan where the living, dining, and kitchen spaces flow together, perfect for everyday living or gathering with family and friends. Durable LVP flooring runs through the main living areas, adding both style and practicality. The spacious bedrooms provide room to relax, while the beautifully tiled walk-in shower adds a touch of luxury to the primary bath. Enjoy morning coffee or evening sunsets from the welcoming screened front porch, or step out back to your own private retreat featuring a fenced backyard, patio for outdoor entertaining, and a storage shed for tools, hobbies, or extra space. Surrounded by nature yet thoughtfully landscaped, this property offers peaceful country charm with room to breathe. Whether you're looking for your first home, downsizing, or simply craving one-level living with privacy.